Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the necessary authorizations and the correct user role so you can edit and test workflows. Open the Workflow Builder, SWDD, and the Visualization or Log tools. This gives you immediate visibility into structure and events. Identify the workflow ID and the triggering business object so you know where execution begins. Once done, check the event linkage and note any custom container elements. This prepares you to trace the next steps with precision. Now you trace execution. List active and errored instances using SWI1 or SWI2 Freak so you can pick a representative case. Open the workflow log and step through each activity to observe path decisions and runtime events. This shows you where logic diverges. Inspect container values and data bindings to verify inputs and outputs at each step, and review agent determination to ensure the right users or roles receive tasks. Make sure to reproduce the exact scenario. You fix issues in development by updating bindings, ABAP methods, or agent rules, and then transport the changes following your change management process. Retrigger the workflow in a test system and run the instance with detailed tracing or ABAP debugger attached where needed so you can watch values change in real time. Verify the outcome against expected business results, then promote the transport to QA. If something goes wrong, check the workflow log for short dumps and container mismatches first. That usually reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.